Hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully, you are doing absolutely amazing. So, I'm back with assignment operators. Yep, in this tutorial, we are going to learn about assignment operators. So, let's begin with some symbols, examples. So, basically, as you can see on the screen, is equals to, plus is equals to, minus is equals to, multiply plus, slash is equals to, which is also known as divide, and module equals to. So in middle section you can see the operations for the work, how the work they'll do. After that you can see on the example section. So I don't think so you have got my point what I'm trying to tell you, but yeah, we will execute the program, we will write the code. After that hopefully you'll I will able to clear your all doubts, but still if you have any doubts, so yeah, you can comment anytime, you can DM me on Instagram anytime, not a big deal. So let's go to the code part. Code, and we're going to write here some code. So first of all what we need to do is, first of all let's give the value to, okay, sorry, let's give a value to integer. X is equals to 4 and y is equals to 8. So it is done. Now it's time to give x is equals to y, and let's run it. So this is something different, but I just want to show you something amazing, that is why only. So what you are thinking, what will be the output? Here x is equals to 4, and here we have printed directly x. So I think you are what you are thinking for the output. Will output be as you can see the output is 8 because we have declared the value x is equals to y. It means on x we have put the value of y, which is 8. So now what we are going to do is, first of all let's x plus, let's clear here that plus, and now let's put the value of y. So let's see what will be the output. Now the output is totally different. It is 12. It is 12. Why it is 12? Because the x plus y is equals to, you have got y. It means that basically what the code says, that x plus y is equals to, you have got y. That is what we have got on this code. So let's again clear, let's, okay, sorry, I don't think so I need to do this. So let's remove here from this and print here minus. So what you are thinking, what will be the output? Let's run it again, because this time also the output will be different, and it is -4 as you can see on the screen, because x, which is equals to 4, and y equals to 8. It means if you will minus 4, 4 minus 8 is equals to y, it means -4, and that is what the answer is. But basically we have got the value of x. So now let's do the same thing with multiplication, and with multiplication also you will get something different. Let's run it, and as you can see the multiplication is 32, because 4 8s are 32, that is why we have got 32. Now it's time for divide. So what are you thinking? Just too fast, write fast on the comment section what you are thinking, what will be the output. Okay, have you write it or not? So the output is 0, because it is not possible to divide 8 with 4. Yeah, it is not possible to divide 4 with the help of x, that is why the output is 0. Now let's go with the module. So what you are thinking, what will be the output? So now the output is again 0, because if you will divide 8 from 4, so obviously the remainder will be 0. That is why we have got 0. So hopefully guys, you have got the things, and I just want to request you that please code it from your side also, and practice it as much as you can, because practice makes perfect. And guys, if you have any suggestions for me, so please let me know in the comment section. And if you are watching it on Instagram, so just DM me, or you can also comment on Instagram. And please guys, this course is totally free, absolutely free. So please do not forget to share it with your friends who is learning Java, who want to learn Java, because in future we are also going to do something amazing in programming itself, like Spring is on the way, Android Studio is also on the way. So please guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, so just to go there, follow, you will able to check there lots of stuff. And if you are watching it on YouTube, so just hit the subscribe option, and please share the video, because this is our 10th chapter. But still there are much less people are on YouTube. So if you are watching it on Instagram, so please you can also subscribe on YouTube. Go, you will find the link on the bio section. So please like the video, share it, and subscribe, and please hit the notification bell. Thank you so much guys for watching this whole video. Bye bye.